Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk about two different credit builder accounts that you can get for your credit profile to help boost your credit score up to 90 points within the next 60 days. And the reason why I say this is because it's a strategy that I'm going to talk to you about in this video on how this works and how you could use these two accounts to boost your credit score, because your utilization is going to be able to drop significantly, and that's going to depend on what you already have on your credit. But if you add these two accounts, your utilization could possibly drop significantly, which will in turn boost your credit score up to 90 points if you add both of these accounts. So if you want to see more videos about business credit, personal credit, and business grants, make sure that you subscribe to this channel to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, really quickly, I do want to let everyone know that I am doing a sale on my DIY credit repair ebook. This does come with 3 bonuses. You get 10 more credit builder accounts. You also get access to a secret lenders list. You also get access to a credit repair letter, and all of that for just $27. I did this spontaneous sale through the weekend, and I just promoted it to my email list. So now I'm going to extend it and actually let more people get access to the sale. So if you want to get access to this for $27, learn how to clean your credit and also boost your credit with 10 credit builder accounts, go ahead and click the link down in the description box below. All right, so this first website is Ava Credit. This has become popular this year. This is a credit builder account that comes with 3 different ways to build your credit. So the one that I like the best is the streaming card. So what's going to happen is they're going to give you a $2,500 line of credit. You're going to be able to purchase your subscriptions that you usually pay for with this digital streaming card. Now they're going to give you a 10% limit. So meaning you're only going to be able to spend $25 on whatever subscription that you would like to pay for, that you already pay for. You're going to use the streaming card to do so. Now, the reason why this is very powerful is it's going to report a $2,500 line of credit to the credit bureaus, and that is going to drop your utilization, and that is going to boost your score, your credit score at the same time. Because if you do not know already, your utilization is a big part of your credit score. So if you have high utilization on your credit reports, like 40%, 30%, then this could help boost your credit score and lower that utilization. Now, they also have other credit builder products that is included. The subscription for this is $9. The other program that I'm going to talk to you about here in a second is a little cheaper, depending on which plan you get, but they do have one that goes up to $9.99 as well. So the other program that they have is the Savings Builder. This is typically like the standard credit builder account. You're building a savings account just like you would with Self or Credit Strong, but it's 0% interest. This is a lot better because Credit Strong, they charge interest, and then Self does charge some fees, I believe, as well. But on this particular Savings Builder, they do not charge fees at all, and they do not charge any interest. Also, you'll get credit score monitoring, so you can access your credit score to stay on track, check your credit score weekly, access insights into what's impacting your score, get notifications when you fall behind on payments. Also, a really good feature is that they will help you pay down your credit card debt by giving you a personal loan, but that will be offered to you automatically after they see your progress in the app and after they see your score improve. Also, they have a savings monitor, so you can save money with their AI assistant, automatically look for the lowest interest rates and monthly payments is what their savings monitor will do. They'll also suggest refinancing options as well as auto loan offers and all of that. So Ava is pretty good. This is a pretty good program to help you build credit. The second one is going to be Grow Credit. So this is a similar product, except for they just have the subscription card. So my recommendation would to be split up your subscription payments between both accounts. So you do some subscriptions that you're already paying for on Ava Credit, and then do some of your other subscriptions on Grow Credit. So it works pretty much the same. You're going to get a digital card that you'll be able to copy the card information into all of your subscription accounts like Hulu, Netflix, HBO Max. You can even pay your phone bill with this digital card. Now, here are some of the subscriptions that you can pay for with the Grow Credit card. So you can pay for Xbox Live, iHeartRadio. You can pay for Stars, Ring, BT Plus, Disney Plus, Peacock. It's a lot of stuff that you can pay for. And like I said, even you can pay for your phone bill and also your cable. They have Spectrum, they have DirecTV. So this one is really good. The plans that they have are as follows. So under pricing, this is how this works. They do report to all 3 credit bureaus. I have used this one personally for almost a year now. I'm using this plan here, which reports the $1,800 limit. This is the one that is $9.99 per month, or you can pay it yearly. So how this works is it's going to report an $1,800 credit limit, and you're going to be able to spend $150, which is still going to give you low utilization on your credit report. And honestly, this is the one that is going to help you boost your credit the most because it is the highest limit and it's really not that much money. It's only $9.99 a month. But if you can't afford any of these plans, you can do the free plan to start off. You'll only be able to pay for like 1 or 2 subscriptions because you'll only be able to spend $17 per month. But you'll also get access to your credit score and all of that every single month. And I believe they show your Equifax credit score. But again, they do report to all 3 credit bureaus. So if you combine both of these subscriptions, you'll pay $20 a month for both of these subscriptions. And you're going to get $2,500 reported to your credit bureaus. And then $1,800 if you choose this one. So that's about like $4,300 in credit limit added to your credit bureaus, which is going to significantly boost your credit scores, possibly if you have a thin credit file or if you have accounts on your credit that have a little bit higher utilization that you're currently trying to pay down, but you want to boost your credit score. This could help you boost your credit score up to 90 points because a lot of people have reported that they have a 40+ point increase with Grow Credit and then around the same with Ava Credit. So you combine those two together, you can get 80-90+ points in increase on your credit score by adding these 2 accounts. Now that's not guaranteed. That's going to depend on what you have on your credit reports. And these report within 30 to 45 days. So that boost can happen within 30 to 60 days maximum. 60 days is like the maximum because they do report within that 30 to 45 day time frame. So by the new year, you could have a higher credit score with these 2 accounts reporting. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Make sure that you like this video if you found this video valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.